Canon Components has long provided contact image sensors for consumer products, as well as the ITC series specialized for industrial inspection, offering a wide range of image reading devices. Now, by leveraging Canon Group's advanced optical technology, we enable inspection of uneven surfaces. With a camera that combines space-saving design and easy setup for surface inspection, introducing the IRC350N-8K, our latest breakthrough for global industrial inspection. Compared to conventional cameras, the IRC350N-8K delivers remarkable space savings, powered by advanced optical technology. This technology allows installation close to the inspection target, supports high-speed, double-sided inspection with easy integration, deep depth of field for precise inspection of uneven surfaces. Conventional inspection systems demanded extensive setup, from assembling base frames to fine-tuning camera alignment, costing valuable time. In contrast, the IRC350N-8K offers effortless setup. Just place it and start capturing. Its versatile 5-in-1 architecture adapts to 5 imaging modes, no camera swaps, no adjustments. It minimizes downtime at every stage, from installation to post-setup operations. Powered by cutting-edge optical engineering, the IRC350N-8K delivers unmatched space efficiency and effortless setup, a new standard in visual inspection cameras. Redefining the future of machine vision. IRC350N-8K